gotta be the wrong year. Can't be.
Drop it. So you're the son of a bitch who's been stealing my newspapers.
Mr. Strickland. Mr. Strickland. It's me, sir. It's Marty.
Who?
Marty McFly. Marty McFly. Don't you know me, sir, from school, sir?
I've never seen you before in my life, but you looked at me like a slacker.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. I am a slacker. Don't you remember you gave me detention last week?
Last week? The school burned down 6 years ago. Now you got exactly 3 seconds to get off my porch with your nuts intact. 1.
Oh, please, Mr. Strickland. I just want to know what the hell's going on here.
Go!
Ah! Hey, Strickland!
Watch where you're going. Crazy, drunk, pedestrian.